MAC HVAC Service and Repair in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania provides residential and commercial customers with heating and air conditioning repair, installation, and maintenance services. We also service furnaces, air handlers, air purifiers, humidifiers, thermostats, and ductless air conditioners. We offer free installation quotes on all brands of heating and cooling systems, including Lennox, Carrier, Trane, Goodman, and others, as a local family-owned and run HVAC contractor. Call our 24-hour HVAC repair service for immediate assistance. Are you looking for a HVAC repair near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair. Why you need a HVAC system? A HVAC system heats, cools, and ventilates. This allows appropriate air circulation throughout the structure. It also helps adjust the building's temperature to the season or climate. What does HVAC service include? Cleaning coils, drains, and components is part of routine HVAC maintenance. Examining connections, motors, and thermostats. AC pressure monitoring. What is your service area for the Philadelphia, Pennsylvania service office? Our local HVAC repair services have served Philadelphia, Carroll Park, Haverford North, Spruce Hill, Mantua, West Passyunk, Point Breeze, Newbold, Dickinson Narrows, Hawthrone, Queen Village, Yorktown, East Kensington, West Kensington, FairHill, Port Richmond, Powelton Village, Brewerytown, Kensington, Nicetown-Tioga, Pennsylvania. Where is your Philadelphia, Pennsylvania HVAC repair service office located? We are located at 130 Naudane Street, number 202, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania 19147. Our phone number is 610-424-6447. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/Naudane-S Philadelphia-HVAC-service.